Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Sendinblue via Brevo for marketing workflows, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the Sendinblue website. Log in to your Sendinblue account using your credentials. Once logged in, locate the Brevo integration option in the dashboard. Click on the integration settings to start the process. You will see a list of available integrations. Find and select the Brevo integration. Follow the prompts to connect your Brevo account with your Sendinblue account. You may be asked to authenticate your Brevo account. Enter your Brevo credentials and authorize the connection. After connecting Brevo, return to the Sendinblue dashboard. Next, navigate to the Contacts section. In the Contacts section, look for the Subscription Forms tab. Click on Create a new subscription form. Choose the type of form that fits your marketing workflow needs. Customize your form by adding fields for email addresses and other relevant information. Once your form design is complete, save the changes. Now, locate the Workflows section in the Sendinblue menu. Click on Create a new workflow to set up your marketing automation. Add actions to your workflow, such as sending a welcome email. You can also include additional steps like tagging contacts or adding them to a segmentation list. Review the entire workflow to ensure all steps are correctly configured. Once satisfied, click on Activate to start the workflow. Return to the Brevo integration settings to ensure data is syncing correctly. Finally, monitor your campaigns to evaluate their performance. Adjust any settings as necessary for optimal engagement. Your setup is now complete, and you can start using Sendinblue with Brevo for your marketing workflows. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.